Okay, so I'm gonna do a quick video on how to replace your fuel pump unit from 2004 to 2016 GSXR 600, 750, 1000, or even the Hayabusa. Same procedure. Remove the gas tank, disconnect the gas lines, and then your fuel pump will be on the bottom. This is the original unit. It's a Mitsubishi, and this is the original one from the bike. And this is a Kemso fuel pump, number 13836. These ones are made in Japan, so these ones are not made in China. So the quality is way better. Having good success with these fuel pumps, and as you can see, they're really similar to the original ones. There you go, positive, negative from the bottom. Same thing. And on the kit from the fuel pump, you're only gonna use this fuel filter because they give you a bunch of stuff in gaskets. And like I said, the quality is really good, and they have warranty on these. So if they go bad, you can return it and get a new one. So remember the Kemso, and there's another brand I don't remember, but these ones are really good. So we're gonna put everything. We got our wrench, and then our housing, fuel pump housing, and the fuel gauge, and our bolts. So we're gonna put this thing right here, same as the original fuel pump, like this, as you can see. Then we're gonna use our gasket, goes all the way on the bottom. So this one sits all the way in like that, and then this clip goes on top like this. I'm gonna flip it. Remember, this thing has to face this way like that. Then I'm gonna get our housing. Like I said, the connector is the same. Probably on some other bikes will be different, but the fuel pump has a connector for it. So if you want to use the other one, but this one is a direct swap. So we're gonna use, this is the positive. It's gonna connect to the red wire, and like you see, just clicks right in. Then if you want to use a little bit of grease, put it on the rubber thing from here, and then there's another O-ring that sits right there. So we're just gonna slide it in like this. Goes all the way in, just like that. Sits right there. Fuel filter, and then our snap thingy goes on the bottom, just comes out like that, so it can hold the fuel pump. This one broke, but it doesn't matter because it's gonna sit all the way of the fuel pump housing. So the way you put this is like this. The O-ring goes to this hole, this one right here. Just slide it in slowly like that. Just squeeze it all the way in like that. Then these wires, I think this pink one and the other red one, goes to this side like this. And I believe this one, yeah, okay. So these ground wires will go on this side, and this one will go right here. This negative wire will go right here. So I'm gonna hurry up and do the video. So we got that one right there. I'm gonna put a ground. Just need a Phillips screwdriver. That. We go to the other side. Remember, this is the other ground, so I think if you want to route it this way, so it doesn't, yeah, so we're gonna probably, yeah, like that. Then we're gonna use our thing right here, and then our bolt. just use our screwdriver, tight down like that. So we got everything in place. Fuel pump, you see negative goes right here, the short wire, then the other negative for the fuel gauge goes this side, and then these two wires, they go around, or you can probably, yeah, this one kind of white, it's gonna be connected to the red and black. So we're gonna use this right here like that, and we're gonna use our little washer like that, and then our little nut, and this is a 7 millimeter wrench, and just tie it down. Just be careful. All the way down there. Then shoot our power, our positive wire for the fuel pump will sit on this side, and the wires will be the red and yellow on here. Now we're just gonna put our things in like that, then our connection, then our washer, and then at last our nut. Then I'm gonna get my wrench. So there you go. Remember, red goes to red and yellow, and like kind of pink or white, whatever, goes to the red and black. Then we flip it around, and we got our ground on this side, then our other ground on this side, and the connector goes like that. As you can see, the pump is fully secured, doesn't go anywhere. And that's how you install a new fuel pump replacement. This is the Chemcell fuel pump, and for a Suzuki GSX-R. Like I said, the fuel pump is just this, the housing, and this is your fuel pump unit. And for last, like I said, the kit comes with a lot of stuff. Some other fuel filters, so for different bikes. Then, like I said, a connector. If you don't have the connector for the fuel pump itself, it comes with one. O-rings, another O-ring, some hoses, clamps, another O-ring, and this for different, like I said, different applications of fuel pumps, and some of the rubber O-rings for the fuel pump housing that goes right here, right there. But everything comes with the kit, so for different applications the fuel pump will work, and if it works, let me know. I'm just kidding. So that's the how-to video. I'm gonna install it on the bike and then let you know what happened on this motorcycle. So I'll be seeing you soon. Peace.